OpenSIPS installation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OpenSIPS 3.1. The first thing, I'm going back to my virtual machine and get the IP address. Okay, 192.168.15. This is not exactly what I want. Oh, actually, maybe. This is my address, 192.168.15.93. I'm actually in a different network. That's why it was strange. I was expecting something like 192.168.0 something. I will use PuTTY, a terminal emulator. I will pass this address, .15.93. Yes. Logging in is OpenSIPS. Password OpenSIPS. Sudo. We don't need to do a sudo. It's just su. And OpenSIPS. And now I'm root on the server. Why I'm using PuTTY instead of the console? Because in the console, I can't cut and paste comments. So I prefer to use a terminal emulator instead of the console. So I will minimize the console and I'll start to work directly with my terminal. Clear. Great. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to the documentation of opensips.org, OpenSIPS 3.1 manual. In the OpenSIPS 3.1 manual, I'm going to download OpenSIPS. There are two ways to install OpenSIPS: by packages or by download of the source code where you can compile. I'll go to the package. There are some people managing the package. There's no reason to not use the package. It's much faster and it's much more flexible in new ways. When you're using Dockers and other things, it's more useful to learn how to install from packages. So let me go to the package download. Okay, we are using Debian. So for Debian and Ubuntu, you go to the apt.opensips.org. Select the version 3.1. Okay, so this is the package. So here we are going to select our OS. We are using Debian Buster. That's Debian 10. Package OpenSIPS 3.1 stable. If you want to install other types, you can. And the release. The nightly is the latest version. I want to get the version that was released. It's probably a bit more stable. So now we have to copy these commands and execute. Let me execute one by one. First one. Now the second one. Done. Very, very simple. Now I have to do an apt-get update. Perfect. apt-get install OpenSIPS. Okay. Look, it suggests several packages here. We are installing just OpenSIPS. In 1 second, I'll tell you how to install all of them. The most important is OpenSIPS, also apt-get install OpenSIPS CLI. That is command line interface for OpenSIPS. That it's new on OpenSIPS 3.1. Now our OpenSIPS server is installed, right? There are many packages like apt install OpenSIPS module, MySQL module, right? That installs the MySQL module for OpenSIPS. To avoid installing all of them, as this is an educational video, I'll install all of them, all of the packages. If you're in production and you don't want some specific modules, you can simply remove, but the consumption of disk is so low but I don't see a reason for this. So OpenSIPS asterisk. Now we have all the modules on our system. OpenSIPS TLS, UID. So they want to continue, yes. And now I'm installing all the modules. Once you have installed OpenSIPS, you can now verify if it's running. This time, let's do a systemctl. Now I have to put the operation. Let me use start OpenSIPS. Oh, systemctl. Great. Now let's use systemctl status OpenSIPS. Now I can see that OpenSIPS is running. Let me open this window to show you. So here I can see all of the processes. It's working. What's the process ID? So OpenSIPS is running on our server. So the installation is ready. Thank you.